Y'all, I'm so excited. Guess what came in today? My camera. Yes. It's lit. We about to do a whole unboxing video. This box is big as hell, but listen, I'm gonna try to do a whole unboxing video for y'all. And then we gonna see what this is working with. I ordered the Canon EOS M50 and I'm dumb hype. So I can finally do high quality videos. We lit. Let me just see what's in this big box. We got a bunch of stuff. Let's see. Alright. The camera is right here. Boom. Boom. Blah. Boom. Alright, let me stop playing before I break it already. I ordered this from Walmart, y'all. And then it came from... Oh, God. Why does manual gotta be so damn thick? Who's reading this? I'm not reading this. I'm sorry. They done sent the dictionary with the camera. Ew. Little strap. Get the strap! Y'all, I don't know what none of these pieces are. I'm so new. Camera. What's this do? I don't know what none of this stuff does. This box is all big. Alright, so you know what? I'm gonna just take everything out the box first and then. Okay. We got two of these thingies. We got, oh shoot, we lit, y'all, we lit. 60-inch tripod. Okay. And it has all these features that it does. So we're gonna see. So we got that. What's this? Oh, it's the microphone. Y'all got a shotgun microphone. Let me see if y'all can see the back. Can you see it? Let me take off the wrapper. It's a shotgun mic to attach to my camera, so now I have good audio quality. That's lit. What else I got? Okay, I have two rechargeable batteries. They just gave me everything. I ain't complaining. I'm not complaining. And then I got this is the book bag carrying case that comes with it, and it's so cute. At least I wish it had two straps though. Like, I'm a two-strap kind of girl. I'm not a one-strap kind of girl. But it's alright. Photo video backpack, ideal for DSLR, camera, lens, and accessories. So we're gonna see. I'm so hyped, y'all. Y'all have no idea. Let's see what everything is looking like. Let's open up the camera. I'm gonna need a lesson on how to work this, because there's no way I'm reading the Webster's Dictionary on how to work this camera. It ain't happening. Ooh, fancy. Does it turn? Oh. How do I cut it on? Oh wait, there's no battery in it. How do I? Y'all, it's gonna take me a minute. I'm gonna have to learn everything and how it works. Let's see. Alright, I got this thingy. How do you work it? I don't really know how this goes either. Alright, I guess I'm gonna have to read the instructions. I'm just so hyped that I got my camera finally. So now I can start giving y'all more high quality videos. Because I literally, right now I'm recording on the iPhone 10. My last video I recorded on the iPhone 8. And then my previous videos are all also on the iPhone 10. So I'm dumb hyped. Because now I can really give y'all high quality video, high quality audio. This is the tripod. I already have a tripod. My phone is on a tripod right now. But this is a tripod I guess specifically for the camera. It has a little equilibrium bar thingy. Yeah, see it? I think that's dope. Okay. I don't know if all the other ones come like that. I'm new to this, so don't laugh at me. Maybe I shouldn't. Just screw this back. But I could have sworn it was supposed to come with a little handle. So I can like hold it and walk and talk. Let me look to see if this is what the box says. Oh, this is what... Okay. Here it goes. Car battery open. Boom. So what goes in there? Okay. I guess the battery goes in here. Ultra high power, extended runtime, built-in safety fuse, 2-year performance warranty, memory free for maximum performance. Does it need to be charged or is it already charged? So everybody, I'm outside. It's 6 something right now. Like, it's pretty dark out here. And honestly, this camera looks so clear. Like, it doesn't even look like it's 6 something on the camera. And like, I'm just trying to move around so y'all can see. Like, it's just catching my face.
Catching my face.
It's catching everything. So let me tell y'all what happened. So originally when I was recording this video, what happened was I did not even realize that I ordered the camera body with the whole package. So when I wanted to turn on my camera, it wasn't working. And I don't know about cameras. This is my first time having a camera. So then I was like, wait a minute. I think I need a lens. So then I went on Facebook Marketplace and I found somebody in what town? In Brewster, New York. I found the girl and she was selling the 40 millimeter lens, which I'm using right now. So I bought that from her and I came home and it still would not fit on my camera. Like, it still didn't fit and I was just so confused. I'm like, what is going on? And then I looked it up. I'm like, wait, I need an adapter. So then I had to go back. I went to Amazon and ordered the adapter. And now I'm lit, y'all. So that's my little story time for today. And now my camera is lit. Right now I'm using the 40 millimeter lens. And it looks pretty good. And I heard this is way better than the kit lens. So I'm actually happy. I bought the camera body. I didn't get the kit lens. But I have the 40 millimeter and I love it, honestly, so far. It's great. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments what y'all think. I'm trying to see if I get close. So I just want you to see how the camera looked. It looked dope, right? It's recording. Look. Move around. I want to see something. Yo, you jumping. Wait. We both standing in the camera. Let me see.
But you got velvet on. I just got on a beta.
You too tall. It doesn't even show you. Hold on. Can you look at the camera how clear it is? It doesn't even look like it's almost 7 o'clock. It's dark out here and it's so clear.
I know it's dark. Shit, I ain't bright as I used to.
I'm telling them.
Oh.
A little bit. Why is it not focusing? Oh, there we go. So yeah, y'all, the Canon EOS M50. I'm on like a little like tripod selfie stick thing, and it's mad clear, like it's OD clear. I love it. Let me see. So there y'all have it. So all my videos moving forward, you gotta turn it over. Look. So all my videos moving forward is gonna be on this new camera. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment on my videos. Subscribe to my channel and look out for my better quality videos. Like, I only bought this camera to give y'all better quality videos. So y'all need to subscribe. Y'all need to watch my videos.
Woohoo!
Thank you.